So on the back of the printer here, if we turn it around, this is where the paper goes. First, take your fingers here and we need to pull up this back panel and then let it rest on its back like this at an angle. You're gonna notice that inside we have a blue guide here. Let me put this like this. And depending on the size of your paper, you'll need to move this blue guide. I suppose you want to print on some regular letter size, US letter size paper like I do. So in this case, take this blue guide and push it all the way towards the right side like I did. Then take your stack of paper and simply let it glide by itself inside. This is it. In front, don't forget to extend this small flap, because this is where the paper will get received once it's printed.